Hello everyone, myself Anaina is a technical expert of intelex system company. So today I am here with a new device unbox, and this is our dashcam F4-DUO dashcam. This is the advanced technology that in our company we do have. And today I'm gonna unbox the 4 variants of our dashcam. This is the dual dashcam right now which you are seeing. We do have a single dashcam. We do have a DMS, artificial intelligence, which is advanced latest technology, as well as we do have an external camera. So I'll be unboxing one by one. Before that, I'll tell you this particular features is mostly used in 4-wheelers only, and we have very good advanced technological platform features also for this. So let's see how this device looks like. Come on. So this is our device box. You can see the device with intelligence dash cams, and you have the resolution. I have already told you we do have 4 kind of variations like DMS, external cameras, internal and dual cameras. So the one which is placed over here picture is a single camera, and this is the external camera. This is the external camera, and this is the dual camera. And I have already told you about the DMS fine. So this side we have the features of the device. One is the engine cutoff, driver behavior analyzation. As this is the dual camera device, we do have dual camera channel recording, Wi-Fi and iOS, Android, and SIM lock. So just beside that you can see the platform features with GPS tracker. Yes, this is a dash cam, but you do have free GPS tracking system also in the camera device. Geofence, risk manager, SOS, that's a panic button, and web application as well as application. So this is the platform feature. Just behind that you can see your EMI number, our company branches, and the power modes. So the side also you have our EMI number of the device. I'm gonna unbox the device. This is how while we unbox the device looks like. We have the dash cam with facing the internal camera. So I'm gonna take this box out, show you the device properly. It's well highly packed, neatly packed. You can see the device quality also while we review this. This is the internal face which faces the driver, and the top of that you have the channel, the power, and the satellite chargers. You have speaker as well as mic for as you have OTA feature. Just side you can see the same memory card and the speaker. Back below that you can see the device will be kept in the car or your dash beam face like this, which is facing the driver, and this side will be facing the outer part of your vehicle, which is driving facing outside part. So this is also a 140-degree resoluted camera. You can see this. So this is very good device which is really connected to the cables or this which is connected to the vehicle. Apart from that, I have already told we do have different variant camera devices. This is the DMS. A DMS will have a sensor recorder inside this. So this DMS will be having a sensation when the driver is smoking or sleeping distraction or any kind of distraction, sleeping. They will be giving an alert by telling that you have to be careful that you are being in sleep while driving. So this is a very good advanced technology which is newly came up, DMS or artificial intelligence. This do have a camera as well as sensor. So this is basically mostly monochrome based. This one is like daily, in the daytime it will have a clear photophilic, but at night time it will be a monochrome. As well as this is also similar. This is the external camera which you can keep in your dash or your cabin area if you want. It's mostly used in big trucks, vehicles and all. So you do have a single camera which will be only having this particular area which is facing the outside of the vehicle. So these are the 3 different variants of cameras in different F4-DUO dash cams. Apart from this, there are many equipments coming up in this box. I'm gonna show you each equipments. So these are the each equipments, and it's very common to you. You know, this is called as a relay, which is used for engine cutoff, remote cutoff, or immobilization. Once you have placed this, you will have the feature of remote cutoff. This is a power bank. If in case if you want to have a power bank of any emergency, this will be helpful for you. A bunch of cables is there, a bunch of cables with colorful wires. There is a description of each wire, like ACC, B+, all those description, earth wire over this. This will be connected to your vehicle, and it will be connected as well as to your device too. So apart from this cable, we do have a box to unbox. Here, this is called as panic button. You are very familiar to this feature, panic button. In case of any emergency, you can click over here. So you will be getting the alert, will be going to the owner as well as the agent. And you have a mount sticker. As this is a dash cam, you will be placing a mount sticker over here like this. And you can keep this in your window screen area. And this is the extra sticker. This is the cap and the screw for your covering your SIM card area of your device, and this is the extra SIM card protection stickers in case, because you are placing your device over the mount screen, so you can keep stickers to place your devices. So this is all about how our devices looks like. These are the three variants. I have told one more variant is there, that's a single camera ones. So I hope that you have understood what's all are the features of this particular device. This is the most advanced technology video telematics system, and this is newly came into our the platform area, which having GPS as well as video resolution visualization. So this is much more useful than the basic tracker, and it's also very good and eco-friendly. So I hope all the informations are informative to you. I'll give the description below, the buying links and Amazon links over the description. So hope the information is informative to you. Please like, share. Thank you.